Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now on miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and the disciples, and we are built with faith. I give a special shout out this morning to my brother Raymond. Every morning him try to make sure say him the first one to catch the reading. I hope your faith a build like mine a build every day. So if you want more people to build for them faith too, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 7 from verse 31 to verse 37. After that, Jesus left the Tyre area and go through Sidon, Galilee in an area named Decapolis. Some people carry one man with the deaf and we could have barely talk to Jesus. Then beg him for just touch him. Jesus take the man one side, move him out of the crowd, put him finger in his ears, spit, and then touch the man tongue. Then he look up in the sky, give out one sigh, and say, Ephata. That mean, open up. Same time the man ears open up and his tongue loose up and he start talk. Good. But Jesus ordered the people them not to tell nobody about what happened. But they couldn't keep quiet. They prayed it more and more. And all who hear did well shock. They say, him do everything good. Him all make people with the deaf ear and people with the dumb talk. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.